Hi Theodore and everyone with T&M Roofing. My name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. And the leads that come through your website are exclusive to you, so they're not sent out to 3 or 4 different contracts, and that's one of the best parts. So 3 things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Search engines love content, Google being the main one in use today. The more content you have, the better, the more relevant you appear, and the higher up you're going to rank, and the more visible your website's going to become to the consumer, which means the more clicks you're going to get, the more money you're going to make. The thing to keep in mind is that content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos on your website and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so it looks like you guys actually have a pretty updated website, which is good to see. What I don't see, however, is any SEO done whatsoever, which is search engine optimization. So you're going to really want to pay attention to this stuff. So your address is showing as Detroit. But yet your Google My Business page is in Romulus, and so we'll get to there later. So Detroit is actually not even listed as one of your service areas. We take pride in serving Detroit, but yet Detroit isn't listed as a service area, and so I'm not sure if you guys do work in Detroit or what's going on. Either way, so as far as content goes, you want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. So if we go to your commercial page, it looks like you guys have not too many. So as far as actual words go, maybe 500-600 words. Okay, so I would highly suggest pumping that number up. You don't have very many photos. Just keep in mind that how you save your photos matters. So whatever you save your photo as, these search engines are going to read that. So use your photos wisely and utilize how they're saved. A lot of times the computer saves photos and files as like whatever they want it to be saved as, and usually it just consists of letters and numbers. And so you're going to want to delete that and make sure that you put in the correct words with some good content in there, because they do read that. But 1,500 words minimum, and then how you save your photos. So moving forward, citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those directories give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you rank in this map pack. As you can see, I typed in Romulus Roofing Companies. We got MW Morse. We got Residential Roofing, and we got Wayne Romulus Roofing. So you guys aren't here. This is really where you want to be. These are the guys that are going to be bringing in the majority of the dough. And then if not there, you at least want to be in this map pack down here. So as you can see, Roof Advance, they're actually ranking in Romulus. McGlitchinsons, they're ranking in Romulus. Morse Roofing, these guys are ranking in Romulus, even if they may not be in Romulus. So that's what your website can do with search engine optimization, is you can have your website rank in different cities, even though your Google My Business page is not in that city. So again, I typed in roofing companies in Detroit because based on my research, the only search engine optimization you have is for Detroit. And again, you're not here, so we got Detroit Roofing Service, Bright Roofing, and Campbell Roofing. And then obviously you're not in the map pack. But as you can see, McGlitchinsons, they're still here. So as you can see, McGlitchinsons is in multiple different cities through their website. So that's what search engine optimization can do. Moving forward, I have your Google My Business page. So like I said, it does show that you're in Romulus. Couple things is that you have no reviews. So that's probably one big reason why you're not showing up in these map packs. I would highly suggest getting yourself some reviews. 25 minimum is what we recommend. And then also you don't have any photos. So I'm not sure if you took this photo, but I feel like this is a drive-by photo. So the thing to keep in mind is that you're going to want to have 10 photos. And then again, you're just going to want to make sure to save those photos the right way. You don't have any photos or any reviews, so I would highly suggest working on that. And that'll definitely help improve your Google My Business page. The last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that tmroofingllc.com can be found. You guys actually have 6 backlinks from 5 referring domains. So that's very low. That goes to show me that you probably don't, whoever built the website for you didn't really know much at all about backlinks or search engine optimizations and keywords and things like that. Either way, not all backlinks are created equal. So I would highly suggest getting yourself some more backlinks and just make sure you get powerful ones that are coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. Very important, because your domain rating is almost like your power and your visibility, so you're very low. So that's why we can't find your website anywhere, really, unless we type in, tnmroofingllc.com. Unless we type in your specific business name, your website's not going to be found. And as you can see here, this is how I saw the Detroit roofing. It looks like you're in the 57th position if someone types in roofing companies in Detroit, which is actually 150 volume. So 150 times every month somebody types in roofing companies in Detroit, and you're in the 57th position. That's why I clicked on the Detroit Google My Business page, assuming that you were in there, but you're not, and that's fine, but it does have your address there, so I'm not sure what you guys got going on. But either way, if roofing companies in Detroit is searched 150 times every month, I'm sure there's many other ones that you'd prefer to have that are searched just as much, maybe west of there a little bit. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us, feedback. Otherwise, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you take the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website to bring yourself some more revenue and leads this upcoming season. And yeah, just feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you.